Hello, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. This is the 2016 GMC Sierra. It's a 1500. Stock number is 7273. Now let's take you on your virtual video walk around experience. We get to show you this truck up close and personal as opposed to looking at static photos. This will give you a better idea of the condition of it, which I think you're going to find it's absolutely an impeccable condition. It does have the tonneau covering with the tow package. Love the rims and tires. And we're going to make our way down the driver's side. One of the little benefits and features about this truck I love is that it's got the heated door mirrors. Who doesn't like that in the frosty winter days in the Great Pacific Northwest? Ample legroom for friends or family or guests that'll be transporting with you. We're going to give you a sneak peek of the interior front from the rear. Of course, this does have a clean Carfax history report that we can show you. Four-wheel disc brakes. Just love the interior of this vehicle. Just over 40,000 miles, power seats as you can see. Warranty protection for life and oil changes for life. You just get more here at Sunset Ford. For more information about this truck or any others in our inventory, we have a vast selection. Call us, email us, text us. We'll be happy to answer those questions. Most of all, we look forward to meeting you and earning your business. Hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Make it a great day. Take care.